Hi, I'm Mahtab. You are watching Best Belly Dance Workout, the best YouTube channel with belly dance tutorials, tips and exercises. This is a video number 2 from the series Belly Dance Tutorial for Beginners. Let's start! In this tutorial I will show you beautiful arm positions in Oriental dance. Let's start with the points of energy that we have in our arms. First one is in the shoulder, then in elbow, in the wrist, in the middle part of the hand, in the middle part of the fingers and at the end of the fingers. And now the shoulders are relaxed and they are going down. So imagine that you are holding something heavy on your shoulders. You don't want to bring them up. They are relaxed. Then on the lower position we have elbows, and elbows are going to the back, not down, not up. Just imagine that elbows are going to the wall that is behind you. And now on the lower line we have the wrists. So here we have shoulder, elbow, wrist. And now the hand is as long as arm. So keep this hand long, and we don't want to go with the hand down, up, in or out. We are just keeping one long line. And now the fingers. Fingers are together, and you can bring the thumbs down and bring the middle finger also a little bit down to create this nice lines. Or you can keep your fingers just in one line. Just remember to keep them here together. So this is the points of energy: shoulder, elbow, wrist, middle part of the hand, middle part of the fingers and end of each finger, and the lines: shoulder, elbow, wrist. And we keep nice and long arms in Oriental dance. The first position is with the hands that are going down to the floor, but elbows are a little bit up, shoulders relaxed. Keep your hands in one line, don't bring them in or out, just long arms, long hands. This is position number 1. Position number 2 is on the level of the chest, big arched position with the soft arms. Again, shoulder, elbow, wrist in this combination. So we don't want to bring elbows down or wrists up. This is the second position, and when I am looking in front of me, I can still see my both hands. So this is not very to the sides, this is arched position. And this is position number 2. Position number 3, we are crossing our hands between wrist and elbow. And hands again with the fingers up to the sky. We are not closing this position, we still have some space between the chest and the arms. So here we have some space for some moves with our head. And this is position number 3. Position number 4 is again big arched position with hands that are going up to the sky, but look at your elbows, they shouldn't be hard. This is still soft position. Position number 4. And we have position number 5 with arms that are above our head and elbows are to the back. We can keep hands here together like this, or we can twist them. And just remember that you don't want to hide your face, so you cannot bring your hands to the front. They are really above your head. And this is position number 5. We have also position number 0 for the training with elbows and wrists in one line. So these are just position of Oriental dance. We have of course a lot of very nice moves that we can do with our hands and arms in Oriental dance. If you'd like to learn them all, check complete belly dance course available on page Best Belly Dance Workout, when you can learn all moves of Oriental dance: soft elements, hard elements, arm moves, shimmies and traveling steps. And as you are watching this tutorial on Best Belly Dance Workout, I have a special discount for you. Just write me an email and I will write you back with all the details. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave thumb up, subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications about all new tutorials. And if you would like to learn more about Oriental dance, visit page bestbellydanceworkout.com, where you can join free subscription or get access to my unique online belly dance programs like complete belly dance course, isolations and layers program, 15 minutes workout, and also highlights of belly dance course, Oriental dance marathons, live workshops and private classes with me. On bestbellydanceworkout.com you will find also Bellyctionary, the biggest online belly dance dictionary. Thank you and see you in next videos.